Now we will discuss the question number 3. What number should be added in 7 3 by 5 to get 18? So first we will try to understand, that means which number we will add in 7 3 by 5 we will get 18. We will take simple example and try to understand it. Suppose we are having 7 and here is we don't know, that is equals to 10. That means which number will we add in the 7 that we get 10. So how will you find this number? We will find this number by subtraction. So 10 minus 7, that is equals to 10 minus 7, that is equals to 3. So which number we will write here? The number is 3. That means 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So which number should be added in the 7 to get 10? 3 is added in the 7 to get 10. Similarly we will do in the now required number to be added. How will you find? By subtraction. So 18 minus 7 3 by 5. 18 minus 7 3 by 5. Now here is 18 in the denominator, nothing, that will you have right 1. Here 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, that is 38 by 5. Now take the LCM of this. Here is 5. 5 divided by 1, that is equals to 5. So 18 5 is here is 90 minus 5 divided by 5, that is equals to 1. So 1 multiplied by 38, that is equals to 38. So 90 minus 38, that is equals to 10 minus 8, which is 1 equals to 2. Here is 8. 8 minus 3, which one is equals to 5, that is 52 by, here is 52 by 5. Now this is the improper fraction. Whenever you will change improper fraction, that the answer will be in a mixed fraction. So after changing 10 2 by 5, so which number we will add? Here is 10 2 by 5. 10 2 by 5 number added in 7 3 by 5 to get 18. It's clear, students? Now we will discuss the question number 4. The cost of a pen is rupees 16 3 by 5 and that of a pencil is rupees 4 3 by 4. Which costs more and by how much? Firstly, what is given in this question? The cost of a pen and the cost of a pencil. You have to find which cost is more in the first step, and in the second step you have to find by how much the cost is more. So first, what is given? Here is cost of a pen, that is equals to rupees 16 3 by 5. Here is cost of a pencil, which is equals to rupees 4 3 by 4. Now you have to first in the first step what you have to find which costs more. That means you have to compare these two values. Here is 16 3 by 5, here is 4 3 by 4. Now you will first multiply. 16 5 is 80, 80 plus 3, that is 83 by 5. Here is 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 3, that is equals to 19 by 4. So how will you compare these two values? By cross multiplication. Here is by cross multiplication method. So you have to, in this firstly you have to multiply 83 multiply by 4 and here 19 multiply by 5. Whenever you multiply these two values, what will be the answer? That is 332. Here is 19 5s, that is 95. Now which one is the greater? 332. Which one is the greater? 332 is greater than 95. So we can say that 16 3 by 5 is greater than 4 3 by 4. In the first step, what is, which cost is more? So cost of a pen is more than a pencil. Now it's clear. Now in the step 2, what will you find? By how much? Now how will you find by how much? By subtraction. So which one values you have to subtract here? These two values, 83 by 5 minus 19 by 4. Similarly you have to take LCM. Here is 20, so 83 multiply 4, 332, 4 20 divide by 4 5, 19 5 that is 95. Now you will subtract 2 minus 5, no, 12, 12 minus 5 that is 7. Here it will remain 2, that means 12, 12 minus 9 3. Here is 2, 2 minus 0 that is 2. Here is 237 by 20. Now this is the improper fraction, that means you have to change into mixed fraction. 237 divided by 20. 23 is possible? No. 20 is on 1. So here is 3 and here is 7. 37. 37 goes? No. Less than 37? That is 7, 1. So how will you write fraction, mixed fraction? 11. Here is 17 by 20. Now which one cost is more? The cost of pen is more. So how much? A cost of a pen is rupees 11. 17 by 20 is more than of a pencil. It's clear?